what transpire. I always tell people who bear Igbo names and practice Igbo culture and deny Igbo origin. I always tell them that they have a big task to accomplish. And to continue to deny, they will continue to deny all through their life. Because if your name is Ogochukwu, like me, my name is Ogochukwu. If your name is Ogochukwu, yes, my name is Ogonna. I told you my name is Ogonna. Ogonna is a short form of yes, Ogonna is a short form of Ogochukwu. Okay. So actually, what my parents gave me at birth was Ogochukwu, but over time I was called Ogonna, and then I wrote it. It was written down, and that became my name today. So if your name is Ogochukwu, and you say that you are not Igbo, you will always explain. It will always come with an explanation. No matter where you are, anywhere in the world, once the person knows about Nigerian ethnicity, and you say Ogochukwu, say, you're Igbo now, you will always explain. So you keep on explaining and explaining. And in situation where there's no time to explain, you are Igbo until you start explaining. And when you explain, some people will still take you to a pinch of salt because they're wondering, why are you Ogochukwu? And your parents did not name you Ogochukwu in honor of an Igbo man, but Ogochukwu is your indigenous tribal name. It will be difficult to explain that. So I always tell some of them that are my friends, I say, you need to develop a new language if you truly want to deny. You need to develop entirely new language that you can speak.
Chief Egade biko nke wa na-ekwu okwu Anioma State Imanua na Adoaria, they have been dragging it that they want to zone it to other side. Our people are saying no, that we must be in Anioma, go. So how do you see it? That Southeast want to join Anioma and our people are not happy with it. So how do you see it, sir?
Like I said before, that in the present otosi wedding in Nigeria tata na Igbo aburo, there's no advantage attached to it within the Nigerian system as of today. So people who Anioma to be in the south instead of southeast. Here na the tag of Igbo. That if you are tag Igbo, then you are treated as Igbo. But if you are tagged Igbo, a treat only Igbo. Abuna is in on a south, in on a Niger Delta. A treat as in on a Niger Delta. Probably that is the only reason why that is surfacing over and over again. But I support Anioma State creation. The reason Buna Obu na-enwe Anioma State. Ife onye Agbo na-asụ, onye Asaba na-aghọta ya. Ife onye Kwale na-asụ, onye Ubulu Ukwu na-aghọta ya. O nwere onye nọ na Anioma State aga na-aghọta ihe onye nke ọzọ na-asụ. Enwere ike ọ gaghị abụcha 100% because na all dialect bụ mutually intelligible dialect. Enwere ike bụrụ up to 80-90% mutual understanding. And open Anioma State, one language we taught in schools, Gabon Anioma language, which everybody will understand. And if you speak that Anioma language, everybody in the Southeast here will understand it. Even people in rivers, like people from Ikwere and Ogba and Eche, they won't need an interpreter to understand it. So the issue of identity crisis will be because of the politics of the Nigerian state post-Biafran war. If you go to River State, you have Egbema in River State. You have Egbema in Imo State. They are the same clan, the same people, but they have a local government of Egbema that is in River State, and they have another local government that is in Imo State. The people who are Egbema in Imo State are Igbos. Why the ones who are Egbema in River State are Rivers? And they may say, well, they are not Igbo. Meanwhile, there are common cultural practices. where the Egboma people come together to celebrate. So it is a political thing. It's a political identity crisis. It is not cultural. It's not a cultural identity. It's a political identity. It's everything about the identity crisis is man-made. It's not cultural, and it is not something that is cultural.